What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Thank you for joining me today. If you're new here, welcome. Consider subscribing if you like what you see. If you're coming back, thank you for supporting me, for being back. Today, I'm going to show you guys a new car that I picked up. It's a 2000 model year. It has about 153,000 miles. It's silver. It's the IL, so it's the long version. I think it's close to 10 inches or a foot longer or something than that than the shorty versions. Exterior color is silver. Yes, there's a specific BMW name for it. I don't really know it. Interior is black. Leather, which usually on silver ones you get it in gray. And this is why I love the ILs. You get this long back area and you get a lot of more leg room. I have 3 kids, so they really do enjoy this back seat. So they can have plenty of room to move around. It is sitting on the factory 18-inch Empire wheels. Nothing fancy, nothing crazy. I mean, it's mainly stock for the most part. I didn't really do anything to it yet. Just washed it, detailed it a little bit. We could definitely use a lot more cleaning and detailing. The only thing I did to it is I buffed and polished the headlights. I wet sanded them, buffed them and polished them, and I put halos in there, as you can see. Yeah, I mean, I do have some plans for it. Wife wasn't really on board when I bought it, to be honest, but after she drove it one time, first thing she said was it needs a lip, needs a front lip, needs a drop, and it needs some wheels. So that is definitely going to be happening. I'm not planning on going crazy with this one. This one's on my daily driver right now. I do want to keep it reliable. I want to keep it as factory-ish as I can, with doing just some subtle stuff here and there to make it look better. Man, the length of these things is crazy. But yeah, this is the new car to the channel. I hope you guys enjoy this. Well, I hope you like the car, first of all. If you're a BMW fan, if you're not, sorry, I do have other cars on the channel. I have Japanese and I have another German car. So if you want, search up those videos and watch what else I got going on. I will have more videos on those cars coming up here. That wheel gap is ugly. That was that one, but it's not as bad as that one. But anyways, so this is the new channel car here. Yeah, consider subscribing if you like it. Keep up with the updates. Make sure to hit that little bell so that way you can see every time I upload. And thank you for watching. So I hope you guys enjoyed that short walk around. This video is not going to be long. It's just a quick little update video to show this car that I got. Yeah, I hope you guys like the car, and I hope you guys are going to enjoy the content on it coming up. And yes, for those 7 guys, E38 guys, I got the famous Bentley roof over here. Inside E38 joke. But yeah, I got that for now. So we'll obviously be fixing that down the road. And other than that, I mean, the interior is going to get upgrades. There's going to be more interior upgrades than exterior on this one because I want to make it comfortable. I want to put some technology in it, and I just want to make it look a little different than it is now. Yeah, we'll be doing, sound system upgrades, all kinds of upgrades. Anyways, we'll get to that, when we get to it. But yeah, everything works, and it works on this car. It has a few issues, which I'll make another video on this car about all the issues that it has and all the things we'll be fixing first before moving on to mods. I'll throw a few mods here and there. I'm impatient, so I'm not going to wait to fix it all. But as of right now, it runs, it drives, it sounds good, it looks good, it's comfortable, it's not missing anything. Its interior works, everything works. Has a couple little pieces that fell off that I need to just get the new clips to put them on. Yeah, I can't really think of anything negative with this car right now. I really like it, I enjoy it. Like I said, it's my daily driver, so we're not going to go crazy, but we're still going to do stuff to it. I'm not keeping it factory. I don't really like how these look all factory. Some people do. I don't. I like to modify them. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed that little walk around. Now I'm just talking too much. Hope you guys enjoyed that walk around. Again, consider subscribing to the channel. Hit that little bell to get notified. Follow me on Instagram. Post it right here. And yeah, if you have time, watch my other videos if you want. I'll have more videos on this and my other cars in the near future here. Updates and what else we're doing and what the heck's been going on. I know the channel's been kind of dead for a little bit, but as we all know, this whole year has been dead. A lot of stuff going on in the world right now, and I hope you guys are all staying safe and getting what you want and having as good of a life as you can at the moment. So again, thank you guys for watching. God bless. See you on the next one.